I'm Lauren from Taste Better from Scratch, and today's dinner is classic homemade chicken noodle soup from my mom's kitchen when I was a kid. It's warm, healthy, super flavorful, and I can promise you, you will not regret taking the time to make this recipe from scratch. So let's get started. You're gonna start with 3 to 4 large carrots, 2 ribs of celery. We're gonna dice them into really small pieces. Okay, let's head over to the stove to make the rest of the soup. Okay, go ahead and grab your soup pot. We're gonna add half a tablespoon of butter, or you could use some olive oil. Melt that in our pot. Add the veggies and saute them for just 2 to 3 minutes, and then add some fresh minced garlic. Next, we're gonna add 10 cups of chicken broth. For this recipe, I really love to buy a rotisserie chicken so that I can pull all the meat off to add to the soup at the very end, and then I can use the bones to make a really simple homemade chicken stock. It really makes the difference in a chicken noodle soup that's amazing. But you can use store-bought chicken broth if you want. I'm using 10 cups of homemade chicken broth. We're going to season the broth with a little bit of salt and pepper, thyme, rosemary, and I like to add a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Bring this to a boil over medium heat, and then we're going to add our noodles. Before we add the noodles, I like to taste the broth and see if it needs any additional seasoning. You can add some more salt and pepper, more rosemary, thyme. I love to add a little bit of chicken bouillon paste to just give it a boost of flavor. It's time to add our pasta. You can use any kind of dry pasta, bite-sized pasta, or egg noodles that you like. We're gonna need about 5 cups. I'm using homemade egg noodles because these are so easy to make and really make this soup amazing. You only need 4 ingredients: milk, flour, salt, and eggs, and you don't need a pasta maker or anything. If you're using regular pasta, you wanna be careful not to overcook it in the soup or the noodles will get mushy. And that's another thing I love about homemade egg noodles is that you can't really overcook these. So it's great if you're having leftovers or freezing the soup for another day. Cook the noodles until they're tender, and then we will add our cooked chicken. Smells wonderful. I hope this has given you confidence to know just how easy it is to make chicken noodle soup from scratch. These beautiful homemade noodles, it's chock full of chicken, veggies. It's just the most warm and comforting meal. This is one of my kids' favorite meals, so do not wait until winter time to enjoy this. We love it all year round. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel for even more recipes that taste better from scratch.